Good morning, children. Okay, in the previous class, what we learned? We learned about the fractions. What are called fractions, children? What are called fractions? It is a part of a whole. It is a part of a whole. Okay. So, in that fraction, above the line is called numerator and below the line is called denominator. What are called numerator and what are called denominator? Numerator means in total parts, which one you have to take, how many you have to take that parts, that is called numerator, and denominator is called total parts of the whole is called denominator. Okay, and now what we learn? Types of fractions. What are called types of fraction? First one is proper fraction. What is called proper fraction, children? Yes, fractions having the numerator is always less than the denominator, and the proper fraction is always less than the 1. Okay, that is called proper fraction. And next types of fraction is improper fraction. What are called improper fraction? A fraction having numerator is always greater than the denominator, and the improper fraction is always greater than 1 or equal to 1. That is the improper fraction. And next one is mixed fraction. What is called mixed fraction? It is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. That is called mixed fraction. And next, equivalent fraction. What are called equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions having the same value, but they may look different. Okay. And next, like fractions. What are called like fractions? Fraction having the denominators all are same, that are called like fractions. And unlike fraction, fractions having the denominators are different, then the fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay, children? These are types of fractions we learned previous class. Today we are going to the exercise. See the page number 62. Exercise 5.1. Put the heading exercise 5.1. Write the first question. Classify the fractions as proper, improper and mixed. So here some fractions are given. So you have to classify that which are proper fraction, which are improper fraction and which are mixed fraction. Okay children, come on, write the question down. So that what are the given fractions? Given fractions are 3 by 4, 6 by 5, 3 by 2, 4 by 1, 2 by 3, 1 by 4, 18 by 13, 1, 5 by 7, 1 by 3, 11, 1 by 2. Okay. Now you have to classify the fraction as proper, improper and mixed. Okay. First you have to write proper fraction. Proper fractions. What are the proper fractions here? What is called proper fraction? Fractions having the numerator is always less than the denominator. Okay. So which one are the proper fractions? Please check it. 3 by 4. So numerator is less than the denominator now. So it is proper fraction. 3 by 4. And next 6 by 5. It is numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is not proper. And 3 by 2. This one also numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is not proper fraction. 4 by 1. This is also numerator is greater than denominator. So it is not proper fraction. 2 by 3. So it is numerator is less than the denominator. So it is proper fraction. So 2 by 3. And next 1 by 4. It is proper fraction, right? 1 is numerator. Numerator is less denominator. So it is proper fraction. 1 by 4. 18 by 13. No. So numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is not proper. 1 5 by 7. It is a combination of whole number and proper, not a proper fraction. And 1 by 3 says numerator is less than the denominator. So 1 by 3. Okay. Next, improper. Improper fractions. What are those improper fractions? 3 paper over 6 by 5. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is improper. 6 by 5. And next 3 by 2. Here also numerator is greater than the denominator. So 3 by 2. 4 by 1. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So 4 by 1. 2 by 3 over 1 by 4 over 18 by 13. Okay. So 1 by 7 is not a improper. This is over. This is also not improper. And next, mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. What are the mixed fractions? What are called mixed fraction? It is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. So what are those? 1 5 by 7. 1 5 by 7 and next 11 1 by 7. Okay, children, can you understand? Okay, right. Write the following fractions in an ascending order. Here some fractions are given. You have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smallest to biggest. So 3 by 4, 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 18 by 7. So these are fractions given. You have to write in ascending order. But here denominators are all are not same. All are different. So these are unlike fractions. Then how to find ascending order? We don't know how to find. So first what you have to do? First you have to do the LCM of denominators. All the fractions denominators you have to find the LCM. LCM of denominators 4, 2, 3, 5, 7 is find LCM 4, 2, 3, 5, 7. 2 2s 4, 2 1s 2, 3, 5, 7. Again 2 table 1, 3, 5, 7. So 3, 5, 7. Now these are our prime numbers. So not the prime numbers. So find LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. How much? 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 60, 67 420. So what we get? 420. Okay, now take the first fraction. What is the first fraction? 3 by 4. Now you have to multiple. In the 4 table, how many times 420? How many times? 4 times 4, 4 5 20. So 105 times. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 105. 3 into 105. How much? 3 5 50. 1 is remaining. 3 0 0 1. 3 1 3. By 4 into 105 is 220. Next second fraction 3 by 2. In the 2 table, how many times 420? 2 times 1 times 0. And 210. So 210 times. So 3 into 210 how much? 3 0 0 3 1 3 3 2 6 by 420. Next one is 2 by 3. In the 3 table, how many times 420? 3 1s 3. 1 is remaining 12. 3 4s 12. 0. 140 times. So 280 by 420. Next fraction is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Getting the find out is only as 420. 5 8 40. 2 is remaining. 20. 5 4 20. So 880 4 times. 1 into 84, 84 by 5 into 84, 420. Next one is 18 by 7. How many times is 7 times 420? 60 times. 60 by 60. 80 into 60, how much? 6 8 48. 4 is remaining. 6 1, 6 plus 4, 10. Here 0 is there, 0 by 420. Now look at here, all the denominators are now same. Okay? So in this 315 by 420. Next 630 by 420. 280 by 420. 84 by 420. 1080 by 420. So now all the fractions are same. These are all now denominators all the same. So that's why these are called like fractions. Now find the denominators. Sorry, numerators. Which one is small here? 84. 84 by 420 less than next smallest number 280 by 420 less than 315 by 420 less than 630 by 420 less than 1080 by 420. Okay, now 84 by 420, where it is? That is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 less than 280 by 420. That is 2 by 3. 315 by 420. Which one it is? 3 by 4. 630 by 420. That is 3 by 4. 1080 by 420. 18 by 7. So these are the ascending order. If you are having denominators same, then you have to check the numerators, then you have to write the ascending order. But here not there, all are different. These are unlike fractions. That's why we are taking the LCM of denominators and do like this. Okay? Commodite. Like this, you can do second some homework. Okay? Do in HW. Now write the third one. Without doing calculation, find the result 2 by 3 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So without doing calculation, you have to do that stuff. Can you do that much? Given 2 by 3 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So now 2 by 3 plus, this is the mixed fraction now, you have to convert it to improper. 4 ones 4. 4 plus 3 how much? 7. 7 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now 2 by 3, come to the, please keep the terms like terms first. Okay, 2 by 3 here, 1 by 3. Denominators are both the same now, so you keep it one side. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Next 7 by 4 minus 1 by 4. These two are like fraction, these two are like fractions. So 2 by 3, which is these both are like fractions of numerator add 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 7 minus 1 by 4. 2 plus 1 how much? 3 by 3 plus 7 minus 1 6 by 4. 3 1 3, that is 1 plus 6 by 4. 2 3 6, 2 2s 4. So what will get? 1 plus 3 by 2 will get. Now find the LCM for this. So 2 1s 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 1s 2 plus 3, 5 by 2 is the answer. Okay? Alright. Next question, see. Neha bought a cake. She ate 7 by 15 of the cake immediately. And in the afternoon, she ate the remaining part. How much part she ate in the afternoon? So, Neha bought a cake. She ate immediately 7 by 15th part of the cake she ate. And in the rest of the remaining part will be eaten afternoon. What is the part she ate in the afternoon? You have to find it. Okay. So what is given here? Whole part of the cake. Whole part of the cake is 1. Neha ate fraction of the cake. How much? 7 by 15. 7 by 15th part she ate whole cake. Okay. Neha ate in the afternoon equal to, so total is how much? 1 minus, how much part she ate in the morning? 7 by 15. So 1 minus 7 by 15. Now find LCM. 15 into 1 minus 7 by 15. 15 was 15 minus 7 by 15. So 15 minus 7, how much? 8. 8 by 15. So how much part she ate in the afternoon? 8 by 15 part. Okay? Right. Okay, fifth question is simplify 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. You have to simplify this one. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Look at here, denominators are not same, so these are unlike fractions. You have to add these fractions. Okay. So first what you have to do, these are unlike fractions, but you have to do the LCM of denominators. LCM of 5 and 3 is, 5 3 is how much? 15. Okay? LCM 15. In the 5 table, how many times 15? 3 times. 3 into what is the numerator? 2. Plus in the 3 table, how many times 15? 5 times. 5 into what is the numerator? 1. 3 2s how much? 6 plus 5 ones 5 by 15. 6 plus 5 how much? 11. 11 by 15 is the answer. Okay children? Come on that. Like that you can do second sum homework. Same as it is like this. Okay? Second sum do homework.